Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change email on Meetup. All right, just go ahead and tap on your profile. And once you're in here, go ahead over to settings. Wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go to the left pane, which is right here. Now in here, just go ahead and find account management. Click on it. And once done, as you can see, email is available. You can go ahead and change your email from here. Let's say, for example, I wanted to change this to @gmail.com. You can go ahead and change your time zone here as well and the language. All right. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and click on Save Changes. Click on it, and it will require you to put your password. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and put my password in here. And once that's done, I'm going to hit on Save Changes. Now, as you can see here, your information has been updated. We just sent a verification email to the new email that you just put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to that particular email. Now, in the new email, you should be able to see the same set of messages. You can see here, you recently requested to change the email address associated with your Meetup account. To complete that change, please click the following link. So we need to click on this link right here. And as you can see here, it just loads the Meetup website. And as you can see, the changes have been saved. That's basically how you change email on Meetup. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.